Hello, fourth graders, and welcome to lesson 8-1, Equivalent Fractions Area Models. We're on page 293 in Envision Volume 2. If you'd go ahead and open up, and we'll start with Solve and Share. In this lesson, we're going to recognize and generate equivalent fractions. Lena has yellow tile on 1/4 of her kitchen floor. Write another equivalent fraction to 1/4. Solve this problem any way you choose. All right, let's draw a picture and show what we're talking about here. Let's review what a fraction is. 1/4 tells us that there are 4 equal parts because our denominator, the bottom number, are the number of equal parts of the whole. So this is the whole kitchen floor. There are 4 equal parts. The top number, the 1, is the numerator, and the numerator tells us how many are involved. So usually that's represented by what's shaded in. All right, so we have 1 out of 4 parts, or 1/4 of the floor, is yellow tile. So what is an equivalent? Equivalent means equal. Okay, so what would be another fraction that would be equal to 1/4? What I can do is I can divide these pieces to make smaller pieces as long as I keep them equal to that. I don't have some really big pieces like this. I wouldn't have this big piece would not be equal to this. So if I have equal pieces, then I can do this. I can just break it apart. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal pieces. I still have the same kitchen floor. The same part of it is shaded, or yellow tile is our shaded representation. And now though, however, instead of 1 part, we have 2 of the 8 parts are shaded because 1/4 is equal to 2/8. We could do another example. I'm not there yet because notice these pieces, these larger pieces, are not equal to smaller pieces. So we have not divided this up into equal pieces that we could represent as a fraction yet. However, if I do this, these are now equal pieces. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 equal pieces. I still didn't change my shaded part, my yellow tile part, but however now it's 1, 2, 3, 4 equal pieces out of the 16 that are shaded or equivalent. So that's one way with area models that you can make equivalent fractions. Divide your equal pieces into smaller equal pieces. The top number is the number shaded, the bottom is the total number of equal pieces, and you've made an equivalent fraction using an area model. All right, you'll see this represented in your visual learning video and as you follow along with page 294 after we finish this video. Do you understand? Use the area model to explain why 3/4 and 9/12 are equivalent. I'm going to count all my equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 out of those 12 are shaded orange. Now, 3/4, if I look at this again and I eliminate these dotted lines or pretend that they're not even there, then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal pieces, of which 1, 2, 3 are shaded. Therefore, 3/4 and 9/12 are equivalent. This area model represents both 3/4, if we eliminate the dotted lines. It also represents 9/12, counting the smaller pieces. So they are equivalent. For number 2, find the missing numerator. 2/4 equals how many eighths? 1, 2, 3, 4. If we eliminate the dotted lines, we've got 1, 2. 2 out of 4 parts are shaded yellow. Now, if we include the dotted lines, we're now up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal pieces represented here. And how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the missing number is a 4. Our numerator should be 4 if the denominator is 8. Number 3, find the missing numerator again. Let's count without the dotted lines. 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 3 equal parts, of which 1 is shaded. However, if we count all of them with the dotted lines, we have 1 part, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts, of which 1, 2 are shaded. Independent practice you will do after you do your visual learning video. You'll do 4 through 15 on 295 here at the bottom. And then you'll also do numbers 20 and 21 on 296. Again, take the time after this video to watch the visual learning video before you do your independent practice, followed by the quick check for the completion of today's work. Bye.